So let's implement the create. So the create would work as follows, right? We have export const and then have create course that can take as argument as a course. The course we can then use fetch as a post to add it to the array, right? So it would be something like fetch the API URL, and we would have to then configure this to be a post instead of a get, right? So it would be method post. We would have to encode the course as a JSON string, and also implement the headers to make sure that the server knows that the content is JSON, right? Okay. Now the server is going to respond with the actual object as part of the body, which we can parse out and return to whoever calls us, right? All right. So if we go back to the manager, we can now import now the create course, right, and use it to refactor our add course. Our add course can then be rewritten as create course, and we're going to pass this object right here, right? Although it's if I take 2 times, right, I'm not going to pass the ID because the ID will be from the server, right? Right, so we can do that. Or actually, no, this object will be the object that comes back from the server that we can reuse, right? So create course, and then the create course, we're going to pass what? We're going to pass this object without the ID. We only really care about the title. The ID is going to be generated by the server, right? This will be this.state, the new course, and what's going to come back is the actual course that was inserted, right? And in here we can nest in the setting of the state. We are guaranteed now that the data is in the server, right? And we can say, copy over the old states and now append these actual course that came back from the server, right? Let's see if this blows up. Okay, so we can say add course. Okay, looks promising. Let's refresh. Yep, it's coming from the server, right? And this is cs4550 add course 4550 5200, right? If I refresh, notice that it's always coming back from the server. Let's see if the delete works. Looks like delete is also working. If I refresh, it is indeed storing everything in the server.